Hey everyone, welcome back to Master English. My name is Eric. In this lesson, I'm going to give you my version of part 3 of the IPA consonant sounds from our International Phonetic Alphabet series. Please check out Jackie and Albert's version of the soft T sound. But let's get going. First, we'll go over some vocabulary words and then practice sentences using these sounds. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. As I mentioned before, these are soft T sounds. Please repeat after me. City, ɓɛɾər, water, butter, little matter, bottle, pretty, native, later. Now let's try some sentences with these words. The first word is city. Number 1. We spent the weekend exploring the busy city. Number 2. The city lights looked beautiful at night. Number 3. She moved to the city for a new job. The next word is better. Number 1. I feel better after a good night's sleep. Number 2. The new software is better than the old one. Number 3. He promised to make better choices. Next is water. Number 1. Remember to drink plenty of water every day. Number 2. The lake water was clear and refreshing. Number 3. She forgot to water the plants. Moving on to little. Number 1. The little puppy followed its owner. Number 2. There's a little cake left in the kitchen. Number 3. She wore a little black dress. Good job. You're doing great. Our last word is bottle. Number 1. He opened a bottle of wine for the celebration. Number 2. The baby drank milk from a bottle. Number 3. Don't forget to recycle the empty bottle. Great work. Let's go over the vocabulary one more time. City, ɓɛɾər, water, butter, little, matter, bottle, pretty, native, later. Great, you did it. You're on your way to becoming a native speaker. Be sure to check out our videos, books, social media, and of course, the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. Links are in the description, along with the lesson notes for this lesson. Be sure to check those out as well. Thanks a lot. This is Eric with Master English, and see you in the next video. Laters, dudes.